sleeve, which is about right here, 66, so 33. It's right in the center here, which is fine because I got a cool ultra thin downlight. 50, so 25. Center of this joist, that's where the light's going. So I'll put my junction box right up in here somewhere. So that's good for that line. This is the little junction box that I'm going to use for the recessed light. I'm going to attach it to this joist. So these are really, really easy. And then take these, and it's just plug and play. Neutral, make sure it's in there good. And then the ground, plug it, and then hot. You can't pull them back out. And then it has a little thing at the top, hard for you to see. Get all the wires as neatly as possible in the junction box. A little something like that. Again, hard to see. But then you can close this and you can change the color temperature right here to be warm or cool. So this is like a cool white. It's like a hospital really. So I turn this up right in the middle. Somewhere like that. Good. And this is the piece that actually goes to attaches to the drywall. You can see it's super thin, so it can go here, it can go on a piece of strapping. Really cool. So this attaches here, feed it up, boom. It's gonna be like that. So I'm gonna tuck this wire in here so it's not in my way and I don't accidentally cut it. I can just cut this hole, reach my hand up, and pull this out. Should be able to get around there. That'd be fine. All right, now I can staple this wire. Get another one in here. Okay. Now I can put this insulation back. Good to go.